These are the alpacas. They are 3 boys. They're kind of a recent acquisition. And I don't know if you can hear them humming. What is it, Prince? What is it? Do you want some hay? Of course you want some hay. Here's my big old bale of hay. We got a 3 by 3 by 8. This is grass hay. Grass hay is good for alpacas. They can eat as much as they want of it and they won't get fat. It's like, you know, very healthy diet for them. And these guys are very sweet. Come on, but be nice to each other. This is kind of the boss, Prince. Here, have some hay. Here, it's for you. There you go. Eat up. Want some, Maurice? Here. Stop being a snot. Here. So I'm going to give him some more hay. Like a lot more hay. All right, now everyone's got some hay. They're enjoying it. So these guys, you know, kind of like a little bit of a sad story from them. Like somebody spent like $100,000 probably on their little alpaca ranch, and I found these guys actually for sale on the internet for like a couple $1,000s or whatever. But last year they were auctioned off and sold at $40 each. And the person who bought them, I think, didn't quite have the resources to take care of them. I don't know if you can see there, but these toenails are kind of gnarly. So we just got them like maybe a month ago. So we're gonna work on fixing them up. We got them because we're gonna get sheep too. Hey, buddy! We're gonna get sheep too, and we might weather some of these guys so we can put them with the sheep. But yeah, we've got some of the supplies on special order. Like they have crazy nails, and like this looks like it would do the nail clipping job, but it totally is not. It's not got enough torque or what have you. Made of some pretty shoddy materials, so I've got some nicer nail clippers on special order. So these are the alpacas. I think they like it here. So the white one is Prince, I already said that, but the other two, I call him Posh because I can't pronounce his name on his registration. It has lots of, it's like Pashimaroy or something, but I call him Posh. And then this guy, I call him Maurice, because he's just kind of a cool dude. He really doesn't like it if you touch him though. Like, these guys got a lot of work done with them, like they're halter trained, they're lead trained. He does not want anything to do with humans. I mean, you can get him to eat some you know, alpaca snacks, which you've got in that barrel. He'll eat alpaca snacks out of your hand if you're real quiet and real careful, but you know, other than that, he doesn't want you touching his big old butt dreadlocks or anything. So we'll probably just do all of his maintenance all at once, so it's not so stressful on him. Hey, what you doing? My husband built this little shed, and the Alpacas totally dig it. So it's kind of small, but keeps the wind out, got a little bit of ventilation. So that's how we made that. I don't know, comment if you want more instructions on how to build something like this for cheaply. Okay, over there is a doggy septic tank. I won't like make you guys look in there, but we're giving that a shot. My husband likes doing Riddex with it, and we're going to see if that works out really well. If it doesn't, we might do a second one as a worm bin. You can YouTube that. That's a pretty cool idea for dealing with the dog poops. The dog, he poops. And this is our other little doggy run. And see, there's some poops there. But over there resting in the shade are my father-in-law's poodle Yorkie mixes. And they live out here pretty much all the time. They're not really house trained, and they're, you know, kind of old, so I don't know if we can house train them at this point, but they kind of dig being like wild little beasts. But before you go all nuts on me, we have electricity in their doghouse. See, we've got a heat pad in there, so it's a pretty nice setup for them. They're like living in the lap of luxury here. Hey babies. Hello. Hello. But they need a bath. They like to roll in dirt a lot. It's like their favorite thing. While we're over here, here is the wood shed. We built that in the fall. And here's like how much wood we have left. It used to be like filled up. Winters get cold here. You know, the best thing is to burn wood, you know. And you'd think it wouldn't be environmentally friendly, but you know, where we are, the other option is to transport gasoline from other places, or natural gas from other places for your heat, which, you know, you're still burning something. So that's my little micro farm. Sorry it's such a mess. We are in spring cleaning, big time. Mountains.